to Hey Kids Let's Draw, and today we're gonna make a cat.
A what?
A cat.
Ooh, I like it. We're gonna draw a cat today, and we're gonna do it kind of easy for young artists, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So thank you for joining us on Hey Kids Let's Draw, and subscribe and share this drawing with your friends, and feel free to reach out to us on Instagram, TikTok, or Patreon to request another drawing. So here we go, drawing a cat. Thanks for joining us on Hey Kids Let's Draw a cat. So here we go. Ava wanted to draw what color?
Orange cat.
An orange cat. So we got an orange marker, and here we go. We're gonna find our pointed tip, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw an oval. You can find the center of your page up and down, the center of your page across, and go up. We'll do an oval shape right here. So I'll start and you follow me, okay? Here we go. An oval shape for a head. There we go. It doesn't need to be perfect, just do your best. Okay. Oh, that's a big oval. You're going right for it. Here we go.
Circle.
We're gonna do 2 triangles for the ears. So find the middle of your head, hold on, and then come over to the side. Do big triangles on the side. 1, 2.
I have small.
You did small ones? All right, whatever, that's cool. So before we do the face, we're gonna do the body. So we're gonna start here with the neck, we'll come around and down. And we'll do a little straight line and bump up. That's gonna be our foot. We'll bring this up like so. Okay, now we're gonna start again. We'll do the other side around and stop. Straight across, bump, and curve in. So we have 2 feet, front feet. All right, so on the side, we'll do the hind legs. Do you know what hind legs are?
Yeah.
What? Oh, you're going right for it. Okay. Bump out. And bump out and straight across to that foot. Same thing on this side. Bump out. Okay. And connect. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 feet. Now we're gonna do a big tail. On this side, we'll do out and kind of make an S. Bring around, follow that shape, and connect
Mine
it
is
to
a
the
curly
leg.
tail.
Ooh, that's a curly tail. Cool. Awesome. So let's put our cap on. Should we do some dark eyes?
Yeah.
Here's your black marker. And here's mine. Find the pointed tip. Scoot yours up a little so we can see it. Right here we're gonna do some big ovals. 1, 2, big ovals.
Circles.
Circles, ovals. Oh, you did circles, I did ovals. Inside we'll do a circle on the side. And do you know what those are called? Highlights. We're gonna leave that white, and I'm gonna do a black outline around that white highlight. See that?
Me too.
Colored in black. And then you can do it all black. I'm actually gonna get a fun, maybe a blue color.
Me too.
We'll get this light blue, and I'll outline this black in a blue. I'll give it to you right now, okay? Here you go. Good job. And maybe I'll get a pink for a nose. What do you think?
Good.
Okay. I found a pink for a nose. I'll do it first, and then you can do it. So pink. We're gonna do an upside down triangle. Ready?
First little
And I'll color it in. Can you do that?
There's 3 L's.
3 L's? Okay.
Yeah.
And then we'll get our black marker again. We're gonna do the mouth area. So straight down. Do you need a black marker?
I already got one.
Okay. So make a line down from the nose.
I know how to
And
do
a
it.
curve up.
Up.
And a curve up. I'm gonna make some dots. 1, 2, 3 for whiskers. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And then we'll do a couple of whiskers that come out. I'm gonna do them on the side. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All right.
There's 6 whiskers.
So I'm gonna get yellow.
There's
I'll
6
keep yours over there.
whiskers.
And we'll do a yellow triangle
I
inside.
don't have one.
I'll give it to you. A yellow triangle inside.
I need a small one because
And maybe we'll do
mine is
the yellow belly. Is that okay?
Yep. It looks like we're coloring in orange.
Yeah, we'll color it in a little bit. And then I'll give you this yellow to color in that belly. Here you go. And then I'm gonna get my black while she does the yellow. We'll make some toes. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Good job, buddy.
Wow.
Now what color should we do our cat? Should we fill in the...
Wow, I need to do my paws.
Oh yes, here you go. Do your paws with the yellow or the black stripes. Now I'm gonna give my cat some eyelashes. 1, 2, 3.
I'm
1,
not
2, 3.
gonna-
You don't have to. So now we can either color in our cat with our orange, or you can do any color you want, but I'm gonna outline my cat with the orange to make it a little bit thicker so we can see it. Is that okay?
I'm gonna leave.
Did you want to leave your cat white?
No.
What color did you want to do it?
Orange.
Okay, go ahead and do it orange. Grab your orange and then,
It's stuck.
is it stuck? These markers get hard. Boom, there we go. Here you go.
A fast forward for me.
You want to fast forward now?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna tell our viewers, thank you for what? Drawing with us. Thanks for drawing with us on Hey Kids Let's Draw. Today we did a cat, and we're going to color this cat in, but we are gonna fast forward it now. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and fast forward now.